Hi everyone, my name is Farah. We'll be going through a few tips on how to set up a workflow that will be easier for you to use and for you to send and receive from other people. If you are working on a project for a client, for instance, you would want to send your files in an orderly manner so that when they look through the files, they could find everything that they need. On the other hand, if you are working in an agency with multiple designers, there are times when you need to send over your work files back and forth. In that case, today we'll be looking at a few tips on how to make that progress much more easier. Without further ado, let's get into it. Let's go to our file manager. So here, I've made two templates based on some of the projects that I usually do. So since I do a lot of YouTube editing and also animated posts on After Effects, first of all, let's go to my YouTube template. So this one, as you can see here, I've made three files. Number one is assets. In this file, I've put audio, footage, and graphics. So in audio, you could put in the voiceovers, the background music, and also sound effects that you are gonna use. And then next is footage. Footage is where I usually put all the raw footages from cameras, and also sometimes when we have B-rolls and also like clips from the internet, YouTube videos. You could organize it according to what you need, but for me, I just did two sub-files, camera and others. So the last one in the assets file, I put graphics, mostly images or maybe, JPEGs or PNGs where you want to include into your video. Next would be the project file. So for a YouTube video, like I said earlier, I mainly edit my videos in Premiere Pro, so let's click on it. I made this another project template specifically for inside Premiere Pro. In the project panel, you could see I have the same folders just like I have it in my file manager, but with an addition of sequences. Maybe if you are going to render multiple dimensions like for social media, you can create a few sequences according to the sizes that you need beforehand. You can just drag your videos into those sequences. What you can do to collect all the files that are all over the place, you could go to the file panel on top here and go to Project Manager and click on it. Click on the sequence that you want to export and click on Browse to select a location, click on OK. So what that does is Premiere Pro will collect all the files that you have and place it all in one location. And once it's done, you could check it in your folder and maybe test it out and see if all your files are there in the copied project file. And if it's all okay, that's done and you can send it to whoever needs it. The next template would be for After Effects. Okay, so when I use After Effects, it's mainly for doing some animations and some motion graphics. I usually do multiple posts with the same elements, for example. So this is a template I made for that purpose. Everything is basically the same as the previous one for Premiere Pro. So let's just jump into After Effects. Here is another template I made for After Effects with the same file structure, and I've just added one more folder for compositions. So all your compositions could go in there and all your files would be sorted. Okay, let's just take back that example from earlier. In case you need to send a project file to somebody else when you're working and your files are all over the place, what you could do is go to File and look for Dependencies and click Collect Files. Alright, so just click Collect and find a place to save it in, and there you go. So everything you need is all in this one file. Alright, so that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.